Welcome viewers, welcome to the channel. The loudest sound at the crash scene was not twisting metal, it was a crying baby. Moments earlier, that child had been inside a vehicle allegedly driven by a woman attempting to escape police following reports connected to criminal activity. According to police, the driver was believed to be impaired by intoxicating substances, and shots had been reported to have been fired.
Escambia County deputies in Florida were handling a routine traffic stop when a shots fired call suddenly came over the radio.
Give it our units, possible shots fired, North SM and Louis Street, RS 913.
I'll be 1018.
8126. 10-4, it's going to be a woman wearing a pink shirt driving a black SUV.
8-1, I believe I'm going to be behind that black SUV coming off Brainerd.
Channel 1033.
As deputies raced toward the shots fired vehicle, they had no way of knowing a 2-month-old baby was inside.
Joker continuing westbound, he's going to be headed out on a move. Westbound, I'm on it.
335, I'm going to take up the pursuit from here. We're going southbound on Grandview.
Southbound Mobile.
No, southbound on Grandview at Gadsden. No.
Going eastbound, direction westbound Jackson, westbound Jackson. Westbound Jackson. Hit the tag, I couldn't get it.
Unknown state, Henry Frank Mary 071. It's Alabama. Can I pit it?
10-4, shots fired, people.
Pit successful, pit successful. We got a full rollover. Driver! Driver, put your hands up!
Golly, lady, frick!
Driver, put your hands up! Go ahead and roll fire. We probably got vehicle entrapment. Full rollover. I've got, no vision. Hold up, Sarge. I'm gonna come to you.
I'm out with 335. I can.
Break it right here.
Okay, hold on.
Hey, we're gonna break the window. Y'all, watch out.
All right, well.
Why would you run with a baby?
Keep your hands where we can see them.
Why would you do that with a baby in the car? Run from us.
2-5 now. I know we already said rolling in mass.
You got him? Saying there's an incident in the car.
You got it?
Man,
Your
step
hands
out.
where we can see them. Is there any other children?
No.
Are you the only occupant?
No.
Who else is inside?
Hold on.
Who else is inside?
I'm coming
Can you
out.
grab a hold of her? Yep. I've got lethal.
They big gonna cut me, bro.
Come on.
Who else is inside?
I'm right here.
Are you conscious? Can you hear me? Okay.
Viewers, every catastrophic event has a beginning, and rarely does it begin with the crash itself. According to police, this sequence started with alleged criminal activity. It then progressed through suspected impairment, a refusal to stop, and an attempt to outrun law enforcement. Each decision narrowed the available outcomes until catastrophe became increasingly likely. This is how behavioural collapse often unfolds. One poor decision creates pressure, pressure fuels panic, panic invites increasingly dangerous choices, and eventually events move beyond anyone's control. The presence of an infant transforms this incident from one of personal risk into one of profound responsibility. The child cannot question the driver's judgment. A child cannot insist the vehicle stop. A child cannot escape. Their safety rests entirely in the hands of the adult entrusted to protect them. When the vehicle overturned, The priorities of responding officers changed instantly. They were no longer simply pursuing a suspect. They became rescuers, assessing injuries, extracting occupants, and reaching the crying infant as quickly as possible. And the contrast is striking. One series of decisions allegedly recreated the danger. Another series. Children remember very little about the day they are born. They should remember even less about the day they nearly die. And every parent holds a position of extraordinary trust. Every journey taken with a child is an unwritten promise to place that child's safety above fear, panic, intoxication, pride, or the desire to escape consequences. No criminal investigation is made safer by fleeing. No impaired driver becomes more capable by accelerating. No attempt to avoid accountability is worth gambling with the life of a child. And long after the police vehicles leave, the wreckage is cleared and the court proceedings conclude on truths. One truth remains. The greatest consequence of reckless decisions. Series of decisions worked urgently to prevent a greater tragedy. And that moment reminds us that policing is often about far more than enforcing the law. It is equally about preserving life when events spiral beyond control.
I can keep my phone. Now chill out.
Give me your phone. Give him your phone.
No.
You're losing for after that.
Hey, chill out, bro.
You already had a baby. You don't need that phone.
Hey,
just chill, man. Chill out, man. Chill out.
I know, chill out, bro.
Don't do anything stupid. Come on.
Okay. With a baby? Dude.
Help him. Got it.
Look, my shoulder already out of place. Ease up, for real. I ain't got nothing on me. You ain't even supposed to search me.
By policy, we can.
When that
Search
policy
2 deputies
passed.
and camera, and it's not illegal.
Can I call my baby daddy to come get my baby?
Go ahead and
We'll get that worked out.
All right. Can you move your arm?
You gotta step in.
There
you go.
Any injuries?
The baby seems fine, but we're going to get checked out.
Thank God.
He was in the car. Thank God. Why would she run with
Okay. Well, we missed the power pole. That's...
Is that your baby?
Want me to take the kid?
335. You can just update fire. There is no more entrapment.
He in the seat? He was in the car seat. I'm holding this way, supporting him, so I'm not moving his head.
Oh, that is a big spider. Get back out of that mess. Ooh.
Ah, there is some sort of rival. Looks like a BB gun or something.
BB gun?
It's got a magazine in it. So no, that's probably a BB gun. It's got a magazine.
Oh, I see what you're looking at.
Yep. That's a real gun.
Oh, that's a real gun,
That's gotta be a real gun. Yep.
What's your name? Hey, look at me. What's your name?
Alexia
Alexia what?
Goble.
Okay.
My brother pulling up to get.
Well, we'll figure that out here in a second.
Get him out of here. Get out of here.
Go back. Alright, look, then why don't you park on the side? Ma'am, park. We have the baby. Park on the side.
Yeah, park on the side.
Where? I can't.
Over here on the sidewalk.
Do you want me to do anything? There is a firearm in there.
Oh, good.
It's a rifle.
Leave it.
It's a
Get
rifle.
crime scene. Get crime
Okay.
scene.
I've already got him coming. Man, where'd that sack tool go? Them things are expensive. Whatever. Just gives me an excuse to spend more money. What the hell I did with it? Well, I found it. Woo! Do we have a scene? Because we have recovered a firearm over here. Looks like it's going to be a pistol caliber. Straight through, you can see it with the mag in it. It's got a red dot on it.
Good job, man.
81, dude. 81 is always just bebopping around somewhere and find stuff.
What's up, man? All right, just stay in the car for me. Just stay. We got it.
Just stay in the car.
I ain't gotta stay in the car.
That's my son.
Okay, we'll just then stay right over here.
We just got this call.
I ain't got no weapons. I ain't got nothing.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, call me back, babe.
No weapons. See, you're good. Don't worry about it. You're not wrong. It's all good.
I call these people that are turning up now the flying monkeys. All they're going to do is interfere with what's going on.
Dude, I heard west on Jackson, and I was coming from Jackson. I was like, heck yeah.
I saw her fly across.
Jumped. The problem is someone called around S and Lloyd, so the people getting shot at didn't call, so it could be anywhere in a couple of block radius. But dispatch heard the shooting. So, and we got the rifle, and it's a car leaving that area, going westbound, where I saw it coming westbound. It fled from us, so I'm all good with this. All day long. EMS right here.
How you doing? I like the stash.
Me and him are going to go talk to them. Hey, the baby's being checked. It's probably going to be taken to the hospital cautionary. I pulled the baby out. The baby's in the car seat.
Okay.
He's crying. He's nothing obvious. All right, is that your daughter? Okay.
In the car with y'all? Yeah.
You know what's going on?
Yeah, well, all I know is she ran from y'all.
So we got a call while someone's on the call. The dispatch could hear shots being fired. Yes, they gave a description of that vehicle there. I got behind the vehicle. It ran from me due to the nature of the call, because it was the dispatch could hear it. We pitted the vehicle, and when we found out it was a baby, the first thing I said, "Why would you run from that car?" There is a rifle in that car.
Yeah, we know. That's what we just told.
As soon as they tell me where they're going, I'll let you know so you can go. Okay,
so much.
not a problem. Yeah.
I get nervous anytime we have to do something like this.
No, we're just
And then when I heard there was a baby in there, I was like, oh my God, I'm so glad that
kind of gun
so rifle. It's a pistol carbine, so it's a rifle, but it shoots pistol rounds.
You trying to run me over?
In the car seat?
The kid's in the car. Yeah, it was in there. We had to pull out the back. It seemed to be in the car seat. There was nothing obvious when I pulled them out.
All right. Do you want us to also assess the...
They're hurting me. We'll take them. We're not... The female's fine.
Let's go look at them.
You can look at them. She's going to be yelling. From us?
Calm down, Fat. Calm down.
So a multitude of felonies. So and depending on his record, it could be anywhere from 10,000 to no bond to get out.
So they got a witness. He said it was a shootout. It was a shootout.
I didn't say it was a shootout. I said they shot at someone.
Shot at someone. They ain't shot no one. And that's what made them get behind the car.
No, then I tried to stop the car and make sure it wasn't it. They took off, and then they started driving like a maniac all through here. So we pitted the vehicle, not knowing they're which is she's being charged, and she's going to lose. It's the last thing I do, because she has no need. That's the only reason that baby's alive, because it was in a car seat. Thank God.
Yes, sir.
There's a ton of dope in there. Meth, marijuana, a rifle. I would worry more about him being around that than us doing that. The baby's okay. It's being checked out. Thank you. Do what?
Is you a sergeant?
Yes, ma'am. Sergeant Taylor.
It's a law that like y'all not supposed to chase the cars?
Nope. There's no law like that, sir. No, it is not the law. I tell you, which one of y'all went to law school and which one didn't? You can, if you want to file a complaint, you're more than welcome, but with real and policy, no, I'm explaining it.
Okay, so you're saying the neighborhood...
There is no law that we can't chase, buddy.
The neighborhood they was in, supposed to be...
Is often borne by the incident or the innocent people who never made them. Sometimes the most courageous decision a person can make is also the simplest. Stop the vehicle, protect the child, face the consequences, because no destination is more important than bringing a child home safely.
The suspects, 26-year-old Alexia Goebel and 22-year-old Mel Trez Coley, were both taken into custody. Inside the overturned vehicle, deputies recovered a loaded Beretta CX-4 Storm 9mm carbine, approximately 7.1 grams of fentanyl packaged for distribution, 159.5 grams of marijuana, loose plastic baggies, and a digital scale. Goebel had her 2-month-old infant in the vehicle throughout the incident. The child was transported to the hospital as a precaution and later released to a family member. No injuries were reported to the infant, Goebel, or Coley. Goebel is charged charged with fleeing and eluding, child abuse without bodily harm, unlawful discharge of a firearm in public, possession of a firearm during the commission of a first-degree felony, trafficking fentanyl, possession of marijuana with intent to distribute, possession of drug paraphernalia, and knowingly driving with a suspended license. Her driver's license had been suspended since 2023, and she has 3 prior convictions for driving while license suspended or revoked. Coley is charged with trafficking fentanyl, possession of marijuana with intent to distribute, possession of a firearm during the commission of a felony, and possession of drug paraphernalia. He also has a prior conviction for robbery with a deadly weapon from 2021. Both suspects were medically evaluated, refused treatment, and were transported to the Escambia County Jail. Each was held without bond. As of 2026, both cases remain open in the Florida First Judicial Circuit.